Hi guys, today we're going to make this cute little box hanger. I'm going to show you how to make the box and how to decorate it any way you would like. And we have different ideas on this. And then you can print it off with your designs on it and make lots of them. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is below the video, you're going to see a link and it'll say see more. Click on that and you will get the template for this hanger box. After you've got the template, you can print this out onto cardstock, which I have done right here. And what you're going to do afterward is cut it out. So after you've cut out your pieces, it'll look like this. You're only cutting on the solid lines, and you're going to make a little slit in here and in here, and all these dotted lines are going to be score lines. What I'm going to do next is score my paper on the score lines. And there's just a variety of ways you can score. Before I had a scoreboard, I just used a foam mat and a ruler, and I used a ballpoint pen that didn't have any ink in it. But scoreboards are around and they really are nice to use. It's a tool that I use all the time. I actually have two of them because I use it in so many different places. So after you've scored it, I'm going to turn this over. So the pencil marks are going to be in the back. So on the inside, you're not going to see them. The two top pieces that have the hanger part on them, I am folding towards me. So this is actually called a valley fold. The next line, all the rest, will be the mountain fold that I'm folding back. You could actually at this point just put it all together or start decoupaging it. For this one, I am going to paint this cardstock and then I'm going to decoupage. And this is just a chalk-based paint. You can use whatever type of acrylic or whatever paint you have if you decide you want to paint it. You're probably thinking, why didn't you just use colored paper? And you could do that too. I just like the way this looks. You can tell this clay-based paint dries very quickly. Where it's getting very light shows where it's already dry. Actually, I am just going to paint the top of this hanger part also. In case there's any overlap at all, you won't see it. I'm going to let that dry. And then we're going to start our decoupage. While this is drying, I'm going to start cutting out some fun images. So on our webpage, we have a bunch of fun bird and egg and nest images that I have on there that you can just download for free. We have them on there. The type of printer and the type of paper you use are going to really make a difference on how your images come out. And I am just going to kind of play and just put pieces on here. And you could use any type of glue you would like. I am going to use a glue stick for this part of the project. And I know this line right here is going to be folded down, so I won't see it as much, so I'm going to move him down a little further right here. You can see this is where it's going to bend and be folded. I like him. He's just kind of weird. So I really want to see him. Let's see how this is going to fold, and this is going to go up. So I know this part is going to be hidden right here. So you see my folds. I'm going to see this top, and I'm going to see this. So I think what I might do is I might put his head right there and cut it, and then decoupage the rest right there. We're going to see how this comes out. Oh, I think that'll be fun. So I am going to wax it, the outside of it, and then we're going to put it together. So when I wax this, I'm going to be gluing it together. So wherever I'm waxing, I don't want to be gluing. I didn't cut the slits yet, but I'm going to do that right now. Now at this point, if you really love your design, you could literally just you could scan it in and make photocopies and your boxes would be all done. And you wouldn't have to redo every single box. And you would have a beautiful pattern, print a bunch out, and just put them together. So I'm gonna put, and you could use a heavy double stick tape, you can use a glue, whatever you would like to use. Put some glue here, a little glue on here, a little glue on here. And I know this is the one I'm gonna glue. Fold my small piece in. Then I'm going to fold this in, and then also this small tab is going right in here. And you just wanna hold it till you know that it's adhered nicely. Is where you had folded these down like this, you're going to put, your two hangers are going to be together. And where the slit is, you're going to put these two end tabs over those circular pieces. And you can see what we did. So I hope you thought this was easy, and I hope you try your own designs out. Have fun!